Hi guys. Sorry, my my webcam was under the image, this image right here. It's why I had to bring it back. Welcome on Crypto Mercy. Nice to be here to talk about this great news right now. U.S. shoppers to pay with Egold at Amazon, Walmart, and eBay via shopping.io. By the way, hope everyone is well. The online retail market in the U.S. uh, has seen a sharp increase. La 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 la. This is why we're excited to announce that U.S. customer will be able to purchase directly with Egold directly at Amazon, Walmart, and eBay via Shopping.io. What a great news, guys! Uh, Shopping.io was established by dropship expert to enhance the online shopping experience by adding a cryptocurrency payment option. They have already successfully integrated large retailers such Amazon, Walmart, and eBay with Alibaba soon to follow. Uh, Guys, I'm not gonna read all this, but you should read this news uh, because it's really good news for Elrond. And wow, and I think the price is still going well today. We're gonna go on to see technicals right away. Um, like I told you yesterday, we're gonna put just all the resistance fibs to see where we are. I'm on the Eagle USDT right now on Binance, and we just retest the 0.786 of Fibonacci. What a pump! Again, around 184. Seems to have some resistance up there. Let's take a look at the Bollinger Band on the weekly. Yeah, you see Bollinger Band is around 208. I think we might gonna try to test the zone if someday we can, just go over the 0.786 of Fibonacci. Let's go inside the waves to follow what's going on. We are looking for wave 3, and we want to see possible destination. Most probable destination will be 192, 230, and 267 for this wave right here. And what's the destination that we add for this one right there, which is the intermediate of the main wave? Let's see if we can find a bunch of resistance around the same place. Okay, we have this for the main wave, this resistance here at 237, 312, and 387. And let's check the main wave right here, top of the main wave. I'm trying to catch it. I didn't catch it, but we were close right here. All right. Okay, let's figure out. This is the main wave right there. 257, 360, and 463. We can see that we have a lot of correlation here. up there and there. Let's highlight those zone right here. $265. $206 and $190. Those are probably short-term tests. Probably gonna try to test those resistance here. It's pretty. I mean, a lot of correlation here. Big resistance. Let's see if we can go over this. Let's bring back the FIBO to see if we can find like more correlation on resistance. This is messy, but anyway, need to turn this. We just test again the 0.76. And did we made a new high? Not yet. Okay, this is a zone that we must try to reach and break out. We're gonna have to pass this zone. And there's another correlation here that we must check. We're gonna have resistance up there for sure. And this is coinciding with the last ATH we had, the last high we had. Expect resistance at 216. Let's put the resistance just a little under. We're gonna put some big lines up there. Right here, big resistance. And right up there for now. This is short-term possible resistance tests. We are already over the golden pocket, which is good. We confirm that as support right now. Like, remember those prices. You should get some resistance up there. It's always good to I'm not selling my Egld, but if you are a swinger and you want to take some profit, those are great place to take some. For sure, you will always get some retracement, even on when the Egld hit those kind of fib. We saw that here on the golden pocket. We break the golden pocket, we retest it, we confirm it as support, and now we're still rising on this. Let's see if we're gonna find some on the 1 hour. I see a little divergence here, which means it can be the fifth wave for this small wave right here. But right now, the overlook, the big picture is that we have this main wave, and we're gonna have to find wave 3 for this new main wave that I talk in different videos. We are having this intermediate wave right there that we're gonna just gonna change the color quickly to help you. And we are still having this wave forming right here. Just gonna take this out. It will be easier for us to see. It's a mess. Sorry for that, guys. Anyway, here looks like we are forming the first wave. Is it this one here, or this is a smaller wave? But for sure, we are trying to rise inside the third wave of the intermediate. The intermediate is the intermediate right here in yellow, which is the intermediate of this main wave right there. Okay. And we all know right now, I just made a video about Ripple, and this was a little bit more clear because you will see that the correlation are exact. We found some exact correlation for next wave 3. But for the Eagle, it's not defined now. We need to let the price move a little bit more to be able to find exact spots, exact exit price. But for this main wave, you see we have this this price here at 260. Yeah, 260. Is it gonna be the ultimate selling price and the end of this main wave? We don't know yet. But with this first wave here, I don't think 260 is possible. To be fair, I'm just tracing this quickly, but to be honest, sorry, not to be fair. And sorry for my English, guys. Trying to do my my best. My first language is French, and I'm still learning. This wave 3 here, it's like Ripple just before. It's not possible that this will be the ultimate target. I mean, it's not a scenario that I would choose. This one is more possible because the 160 for the yellow line is the 161.8 at 238 is too low, which means this will be the ultimate target, I think, 315, and the fifth wave possible that we come around here to finish, but we'll see what the small wave are telling us right now. But this is cool because the intermediate seems to be done. I mean, if we already made an UI, and which means this is confirmed here. This wave 2 is confirmed. What I mean is that by this is that we can project further price because this wave 2 is done and confirmed. For me, right now, this will be a very good target, but this wave 5 we don't know yet. It's too early to say to tell what's gonna go after this. We can project, but it's too early really. But this will be for now my favorite target. I don't know if we're gonna reach this target in April, but it's possible that market makers are seeing this destination right now. I see a lot of correlation, and it's much more realistic than. But anyway, you may think this is a very high price right now, $315, but it is not. Technically, it is a realistic target for the Egold. Medium term, short term, medium term, next month, next 2 months, we don't know yet. And for sure, we never know what Bitcoin can do, and we're gonna have to follow that quickly because if the Bitcoin is reversing at the end of the month or anytime soon, who knows? We're gonna follow Bitcoin closely. If we are looking at the candlestick, and we try to read what's going on. I'm on the weekly chart. I'm gonna start on the best place to read candle for swing trading. I don't know if you guys you will find this. I don't know if you guys saw this video that I made on candle reading, but if you learn to candle read on the monthly chart, you're gonna be so successful during a bull market because we had this confirmation of a double bottom here, and since we don't have any confirmation that the eagle is gonna stop, we must have this confirmation because the monthly chart is like the god of chart. I mean, it's a powerful chart. If you take the Bitcoin and you watch what was the sign when the last bull market in 2018 ends, you will find a double top body at the same place. I can show you this quickly, but I show it to a lot of times. But this is a way to get out of the market when you have those kind of confirmation. Let's take BLX, Brave New Coin, which is a mixture of all the exchange in the world that are trading Bitcoin. You see, resistance was big in 2017. January 1st, we had this confirmation here that we had a double top right there. And this was the end of the bull market. And we were on the monthly chart. For sure, after that, we're going to have some alt season that are coming, and alt season are always coming during bear market when we find double bottom. You see, we rise, double top right here, double bottom right there, double top right here. And this was the confirmation of the end of the bear market, double bottom right over there. You see the body are at the same place. This was our confirmation. And if you if you decide to buy some at that confirmation, and you were able to make some profits between 261.66%. Or if you wait the confirmation of this double top right here, you sold exactly at what was the price? Around $10,000. You sold that after the confirmation of this double top, and after that double top, create what we call a C wave. It's C wave was can show you like this. Right there, C wave. And after this, we create this W, we test the neckline, and we confirm it as support, and we break out. And if you enter after that confirmation right here at the double bottom, body same place, you see, you enter at that confirmation, you're still making a lot of money right now. Confirmation of this double bond right there, and you're still in the Bitcoin, and you're still up 584%, which is not bad, huh? But anyway, this is the same principle for the Eagle. We are waiting to see this double top. When it's gonna happen, we don't know yet, but you must understand that for me in the Elliott wave, how I can say that, I personally think that the Eagle is on the third wave of the super cycle wave, and it's why we should see this continue for a while. But you know, we don't know when the bear market's gonna end, the bull market's gonna end for the Bitcoin, and every crypto is gonna fall. If Bitcoin is falling, for sure, they're gonna use that as a reason for to retrace. On the weekly chart for the Eagle, what we see now, nothing is bearish. We had this confirmation March 29. And since you see this double bottom here, we made a double top right here. We made a double bottom right there, and we still rising. if you bought this this confirmation here, because just want to explain correctly to you, we saw this double bottom here, we saw this double top there, we saw this double bottom here. You see the body. If you bought that confirmation right up there and you're still in, you're up right now by 25%, and you probably bought around 138 like me. But for me, the way I play this right now is that I bought the Eagle at around $29, $39, and I'm still holding those Eagles. But I swing. I'm stacking a part of what I bought, and I'm swinging another part, just to accumulate and the Eagle over time. That's my strategy. For sure, we're gonna have some retracement someday for the Eagle, but right now we are in an uptrend. The uptick is very bullish right now. I'm repeating this, but and a lot of people are not sure about this, but I think the Eagle is one of the top altcoins right now. We have I really like Solana too, Synthetics, Kusama, Polkadot. They're all for me one of the best. UMA too, which is specializing in with the development of synthetic assets. It's possible that we're gonna form this kind of triangle too, because this is something that we must prepare for. It's not sure, but it's possible that the Eagles will play. But right now, it's you always have to anticipate this kind of move. You see triangle right here. It's creating a triangle a little bit higher. Before, I'm sure you remember that, but I created. Where is my triangle? Right there. Remember, I told you when the Eagle broke out from that triangle right here, and we come back, and we came back, and now we are still rising on this probably. I'm pretty sure we are in a rising channel, right? Like this. Yeah, it looks like that. You see, we test this midline right there. 2 times we confirm and close daily candle over it, and now ready to go higher. Maybe we're gonna go test this channel, and let's see if we're gonna break out. The news today may help us to break out, but we must be aware that we have this resistance up here, which is the roof of the Bollinger Band right before the last high. Also, right now, if you are looking at the trend, the Eagle is making a new higher lows and higher highs all the time, which is in an uptrend, short-term uptrend. Sorry for that, and yeah, that is one things that we must understand right now is that moving average are giving us dynamic support. For sure, market makers can always bring us back and retest this dynamic support, but it's gonna help a lot. Elrond, the Eagle, short term because they are all under us. We don't have any moving average over us as resistance, and we have the EMA ribbon on the 4 hour too, which is giving us a pretty strong support. But we want to rise. The best thing for the Eagle will be to rise slowly and keep all those support under for a while. And now the good news for me is that we're beginning to see those those moving average from the weekly that they are rising, which those are huge support at 147 right now. And if we can see a cross, this will be a bullish cross because when we will have a confirmation really soon that this the EMA moving average 7 is crossing over the moving average 9. Wow, I mean this will spark the price up. But anyway, Elrond is a pretty new crypto. Not a lot of historic, and those MA will continue to rise here, and they are gonna probably they in the future for sure during the bear market we will probably test those the moving average 200 or something like this. More they rise and more the bear market I mean, more the retracement will or I can say that retracement will be probably lower because the support will be higher. Weekly support are very important during bear market. And moving after to, we are beginning to see the EMA ribbon. Some lines here are forming. It's funny to see that the lines are appearing slowly. You see this long term for sure. We must understand that it's always better to have all those DMA ribbon compressed like this to use it as a trampoline, but we are having this kind of bounce possible on the daily chart because the EMA ribbon is compressed on the daily chart right now. Is also compressed on the 4 hour, and it's always good short term to have the EMA ribbon under the price. Let's take a look at the VWAP right now. VWAP. VWAP is my little blue line right now. Usually, swing traders love to buy when the price is over the VWAP on the 4 hour on the daily. For me, this is a good indication that probably swing traders will try to get in. And we saw what happened this morning too. For sure, sometimes we're coming back to test the VWAP again, but it's always better to be over the VWAP than under to get the swing traders with us. And sure, some swing traders are using the 1 hour, which I don't. I personally don't recommend to do this, but swing traders that are always in front of their screen, they are waiting to that the price. They are waiting that the price is over the VWAP, and they buy there, and they wait until the VWAP is losing the price, and they sell there. But this is not the way I trade. It's more risky, and there's a lot of noise, on those charts. More you are playing your strategy on a higher time frame, like a daily chart or a weekly chart, a 2 weekly chart or a monthly chart, and less noise you will find. And another things that is great news right now is that the RSI is rising, which is the RSI on the daily is over 60, and we are not overbought right now, which is really some kind of the chart is looking good right now. For sure, maybe a whale can dump or do something, but what I mean is that everything looks very good for now, and if we don't lose this neckline here, we're good to go. And usually, in the future, we'll have to take a look at this neckline because Elrond's gonna probably retest this neckline and come back in the future. If we go on the logarithmic chart, and I'm gonna leave you on this. Let's take the monthly one and try to figure out maybe weekly is going to be better. People that are coming to see my chart often know that I'm always try to bring back this logarithmic ascending channel because because the things everyone must understand is that the goal, if you want to make money in crypto, you must find resistance. And for sure, the roof of that channel here is resistance. For sure, we can break this channel and confirm him as a support in the future. But right now, it's still a resistance, and it's probably one of the biggest resistance we have. And we just want to check where right now the Egld can go if a breakout, a big pump happen or something. Let's make a price label right there. Let's bring the price. If we have a pump today, we can go over $390 on this rising channel on the logarithmic. It is possible, and I see that happening. Sometimes you see that we didn't test. Maybe I'm probably a little bit too high right now. We'll find more resistance where the line are crossing. Yeah, let's be more realistic right here. 324. And it's coinciding with the correlation that I show you on the chart before. 326 will be a great place to take some profit. And if you see that the price is pushing higher, just wait a candle close over the floor, because if we go over this will become the support in the floor. It's going to do something like, can show you right there. If we pump there, we're going to come back to test this support right here. If if the breakout is big and they're trying to push us over this roof, we're going to confirm this as a new floor and might test this 1 or 2 times, and we're going to continue. It's really possible this thing happens. Those things happen sometimes, not often, but sometimes. But for sure, be prepared to get some resistance up there. In 1 week, if we are trying to test this roof at the end of April, we can test 373. Let's just be ready in time with this, and can place very some some lines for you to show you dates, specific dates, and price. Vertical line right here. Vertical line right there. Let's bring another one here. And the last one up there. And let's check the price that we can obtain. 331 here. The 5th of April. Maybe a little bit higher here. 353 April 12th. 378 April 19, and 405 April 21. Which more we wait and more we are able to test the roof of the channel at an higher price. Is it their strategy? It's possible that it is. I don't know, but it's possible. Everyone must know that we saw what happened here. It seems to be different right now, and I understand why it is different right now, because we are. This was the super cycle bottom of the wave 2, but we need to find a top on the super cycle wave 3, which is not done yet. And if we, I'm not gonna do that right now because I already did. But if you take Bitcoin in comparison, when Bitcoin was retracing in this super cycle wave 3, around I think $65, something like that. Those chart, by the way, Bitcoins and at the beginning and Egld are pretty close to very close chart. But what I can find is that the retracement here was low, was less powerful than Bitcoin in 2011, and which is probably why staking is probably a reason why the price has not dumped so much. But I mean, it was pretty powerful anyway. If you check the Egold USDT, we retrace around $65 on the golden pocket, which confirmed a second wave. But on this chart, we fall around $89. And anyway, those are possible tests for Elrond during the month if we want to test this channel right here. And if we are someday we are making a new high, we gonna have to confirm and take a note. This will be a resistance for the Egold, but if we break out, we need to understand that we must confirm this as a support if we want to continue higher. And sometimes they just, market makers are playing around and blah, blah, blah. But by going over this last ATH, it means it confirms that we are rising in a new wave. And hope you like, guys. If you would like to help my channel, or you would like to me to present you a technical analysis on another crypto or everything, I have the information for my MAIAR wallet. You can send me any tips that you want on in Egold, and just leave me a comment or send me an email. I have my email too on the bottom, and tell me which asset you would like me to do for you, or even if you don't have any money and you're poor and you wanna. I'm joking, but if you want an analysis too, just post a comment and ask me which asset you would like me to go over. And if you don't have the MAIAR wallet, you can get it here. You can use my referral link in the just below. All the information is there too. With the purchase of $200 in Egld, you will get $20 free, $20 free in Egld, which will give you 220 if you buy $200 if you buy a little bit more than an Egld for now. But wish you the best. Thanks for being here, guys. I love you so much. I appreciate your you push the like button and you leave a comment. This help the channel a little bit. My channel is brand new, but have a great week, and for